Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Figma to Vscode easy method. Start by installing the Figma to Code plugin and the Vscode Figma extension and signing into both accounts. Open your Figma file, select the frames or components you need, and use the plugin to generate code snippets or export assets. In Vscode, paste or import the generated files, adjust paths, and preview live. I'll walk you through common hiccups and quick fixes. Start by opening Figma and installing the Figma to Code plugin, then open Vscode and add the Figma extension from the marketplace. Sign into the same Figma account in both tools and grant file access when prompted. Confirm the plugin appears in Figma's right sidebar and the extension shows your account in Vscode. These steps ensure both ends can communicate, preventing missing assets or authentication errors later on. With the plugin open, select the components or frames you want and pick export settings like SVG, PNG, or code format. Generate the code snippets or asset package, then switch to Vscode and place files into your project structure. Update asset paths and run the project to confirm visuals match and tweak styles if spacing differs. I'll show how to handle common mismatches and keep your design tokens consistent across files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.